This week we're on to stage 8 of our typing, and that's going to be B and N. So let's take a look at B and N on the keyboard. B's over here, N's over here. Pointy finger on the left side's on the F, goes from the F to the B. Pointy finger on the right side's on the J, goes to the N. So we use the pointy finger to go from the F to the B, and the right pointy finger to go from the J to the N. Pinky start on the A and the semicolon, and then ring finger on the S, middle finger on the D. Pointy finger once again on the F. Thumbs on the space bar on this side. J, pointy finger. K, the middle finger. And L, the ring finger, and the pinky on the semicolon. So this week we're typing. Please do B and N. Code.org for this week, we're going to be on number 12, looking ahead with Minecraft. So let's take a look at some of these with number 12, looking ahead with Minecraft. Okay, so you could watch this video on your own and you pick your character here. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Click OK. Click OK. So now we're here and we have to get to the sheep. And what we need to do is we need to get forward. And it says add a second forward block to reach the sheep. We go forward and we click run. Okay, so that's good. We can go to the next one. So here, what we have to do, we have to destroy to chop down the tree. Okay, so let's take a look. What's the first thing we should do? We should go forward. Let's try forward 2 times. Actually, we'll try 3 times because we'll say 1, 2, 3, and then we'll do destroy. Okay. Now we may need to redo that one. Let's try it again. We're going to simplify our code because we had too many there. So let's see. Let's try if we just did 2 times forward. Let's try that. Okay, so just 2 times forward. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, number 3. So we have the sheep here, and we have to shear them. So we have the shear command here, which we're going to do. And let's take a look at what we could do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move forward 2 times. Forward, forward. And then we're going to click shear. Let's take a look at that. Then we're going to turn to the right. And we're going to say forward and shear. Because we go forward and shear. Okay, so we have to build a house, and it requires a lot of wood. Cut down all 3 trees. So let's take a look at this. Let's see how this goes. We go forward, forward, and we destroy, and then we turn left, and then we go forward. Let's go 1, 2, 2 times more forward. 1, 2, and then we're going to do destroy when we get there. Now we have to turn to the left, and again, 1, 2, 3 times forward. It would be easier if we had a repeat block, but we don't have that for this one. And we're going to do our destroy. Okay, so I'll skip the video. You could watch the video. So here we have a repeat block now. And we have to use the place planks and move forward. So we place planks, and then we move forward. And that builds for us. Now this one, they give you a choice, okay? So I'll do the easy one, but you could do one of the other ones if you would like. Okay, so what you have to do here is you have to continue building this wall here. Okay, so we have this 3 times here. And let's take a look at what we could do. What we have to do is we have to move forward again and place the plank. So let's do that again. And then we're going to turn right, and he does it 3 times. And then what we need to do is we need to do turn right again, and we could do the same thing. Now notice we could do it this way, but we also could do is we could just do a nested loop. We could have just repeated this first one a few times. So you could use a nested loop, or you could do it this way, whichever one you prefer. This one here, we have to start planting the crops. So let's do this. Let's plant the crop, and then let's move forward. And we're going to repeat that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we're going to repeat that, plant crop, and move forward. Now we're going to turn to the right, and we're going to go 2 times forward. Then you're going to turn to the right. So plant crop, move forward, repeat that 6 times. Then we're going to turn to the right, move forward, turn to the right. Now we're going to do the same thing again. Okay? Same thing again 6 times. Plant crop and move forward. And move forward. Up. So what we have to do is just one more time. Let's just do it one more time. We missed one of them, so we'll just do that one more time. Okay, so now we have to get through this maze here, and we don't want to go into any of these characters here. So first we'll just turn left so that we're facing this way, and then we'll go forward 3 times. So repeat loop forward 3 times. Left, forward 1, 2, 3. And then what we'll do is we want to turn to the right. Okay, and then we want to move forward. And then we want to turn to the left. And then we want to move forward. So let's see how that goes. So left, 3 times forward, right, forward, left, forward. Now we want to do another right, and another forward, and then a left, and a forward. Watch this. This is the same thing. Okay, so this is exactly the same. So we'll just repeat this. We'll just repeat this 2 times. So now we have to use the destroy block down here and the place torch. Okay, so what's the first thing? We've got to turn to the left first. Now turn to the left so he's facing this way. And then what he's going to do is he's going to place his torch. And then he's going to destroy. He's going to move forward. So let's see how that looks. Left, place torch so he has light. Destroy and move forward. So we did that 1 time. Let's do it another time. Let's do everything 2 times here. So again, he has to place his torch, destroy, and move forward. So he turns left, place torch, destroy, move forward, place another torch, destroy, and move forward. So now you've got to get across the lava here. Okay, so you're going to move forward, and you have to use the cobblestone so you can move forward. So move forward, place cobblestone, then you could walk over the cobblestone. So let's take a look how that goes. Okay, so now you got across, but you have to take this and you have to destroy it. So let's move forward, and let's do destroy. Let's see how that goes here. Oh, you did one, so they wanted us to do it one more time. So we could just repeat that again. So move forward, destroy, and again move forward and destroy. And you could watch the video on your own. This is a challenge puzzle. You could skip it if you would like, but I'll show you how to do it. So let's look at this. We have a code in here already, and it's an if lava ahead, place cobblestone. So let's take a look how this goes. Destroy, if lava's ahead, place the cobblestone. So this is working, but it's missing something. What is it missing? It's missing the move forward, okay? Because he destroys and he places the cobblestone, but he's got to move forward, and then he's going to repeat it again and again and again. So he needs to move forward, okay? So this is a conditional if-then. If there's lava, place cobblestone, and then we keep repeating it until he gets all the way through. Number 12 is also a challenge puzzle. You can skip it if it's a little too difficult. The first thing we need to do is we need to move forward, forward, forward. So we'll do 2 times forward. You could also use a repeat loop. Then when you get here, you got to destroy this. So we're going to say destroy. So let's take a look how that goes. So forward, forward, destroy. Now what are you going to do? If there's lava, you got to place a cobblestone. Okay, so let's take a look how this goes. Forward, forward, destroy. If there's lava, place a cobblestone. Okay. Then you're going to move forward, and then you got to turn to the right because you got to go this way. Turn to the right, and then you're going to destroy. So let's take a look how that goes. So forward, forward, destroy. If there's lava, place the cobblestone, turn to the right, destroy, and now you got that uncovered. Now you have to turn around. Okay, so the way you turn around, that's 180 degrees. You can turn left 2 times. Turn left 90, turn left 90. That gets you 180. That gets you turned around. And then forward, forward, and destroy. Forward, forward, and destroy. Now let's take a look how that goes. Okay, so that was a challenge. Now we have to build a home here. So what's the first thing? He's got to turn to the right, and we need to lay the rail on the ground. So what has he got to do? He's got to place the rail. He's got to move forward. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Turn to the right, place rail, move forward. Well, that's 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6 times he's got to do it. Turn to the right, place rail, move forward. Okay, so turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, now he's over here. What does he got to do? He's going to have to turn to the right again. Do the same thing again. Place rail, move forward. Okay, so let's take a look at that again. Now he got there. And now he can drive all the way through. So this is a free play. You can do what you would like. You could say, you want to move forward. And then you could say you want to place a bedrock. And then you could say you want to move forward. Or maybe you want to turn right. And then you want to move forward. And then you want to place a torch. Okay, or you could plant a crop. Okay, so let's see how that goes. Go forward. Place a bedrock, turn to the right,